Because of the Ukrainian war, we have changed our logo to the Ukrainian flag. Please donate to the Ukrainian Red Cross to help injured people in the war. Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you that I created a new website this morning. You're probably thinking, why? Well, when I was creating TextSpace, I saw an option where you can select and deselect the things you can upload. So if I click that and I create a post, at the bottom it would say what I can add. I can untick and tick any of those what you can add or upload or any. But when I was creating TextSpace, I ticked embed, and then I decided to create VideoMuseum late that night and published it this morning. So I'll show you. It's pretty much the same thing as It's pretty much the same thing as TextSpace, but there's some differences. But when you create a post, look at this. And it go down. It would usually say like the photos and all of that, but it just says video and poll. Isn't that cool? Also, there's other pages. I also had the logo there because it wasn't working properly, so I decided to add it there. There's explore. I'll show you that, which is this page. It's got all these. Then there's channels, or just members. Wait for this to load. See? And then there's shorts. Just like on I tried to make it really similar to YouTube. There's no shorts currently. But I created the background red and brown and made it look really cool, like the colors of YouTube and stuff. There's no dark mode and light mode though. The backgrounds are actually red. It's really cool. And I'll show you what the posts look like. If I go to my first video, which is what I uploaded, it looks like this. It shows the views. You can comment and stuff. You can also comment with those two as well. And then there's a video. And yeah, bye everyone. I hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe, like, hit the bell, and yeah, bye!